All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T350, 15-passenger wagon. It's beautiful white with black cloth interior. It is the XLT model with 20,000 miles. Super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. It's got front bumper looks good. This, your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front passenger hubcap. Let's got your tire thread, which is at over 730 seconds. This door looks good, and this quarter here looks very nice. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's hubcap, and your tire thread. Is just under 730 seconds. All right. Got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check. It's still wrapped up. Check out pictures for more details. All right. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. It's got backup sensors, you can hear it. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your cruise control. That's what I was trying to say before. You got your cruise control right here. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mileage of 20,280. Very nice. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. Coming around. You look good. Your rear bumper with the sensors. Boom, boom, boom. Look really good. All this looks good. Here's some sensors. Boom, boom, boom. Got your backup camera. Pow. These doors swing all the way out and hit that little stomper there. Pow. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very, very nice. Boom. So one of your doors looks like. Shoo. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Likewise here, this door looks very nice. All right. Let's see, coming around. This looks good. Here's your rear, the rear passenger hubcap. All right, your tire thread is just at the line of 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little dent here. Just notice about 3 inches PDR. Gonna swing out. Whoop. Locks up in there. This is what your cargo area looks like. Boom. Got a little step. Pow. Here's your front. What your front seat looks like. Your front first row, second row, third row. All right. Let's got a little handle here. Boom. And the last row with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. All right, here's your front passenger seat. As soon as it focuses, there you go. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. This door looks pretty good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread is just over 730 seconds. Lights are working, cars running. Things are very nice, folks. Once again, this is the 2017 Ford Transit T350. 15-passenger wagon with 20,000 miles. You got cruise control. You got rear. You got 15 passengers. Super, super nice. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.